Good morning. My name is Arakshaya. My ID is 21955583301. My Tech Talk subject is Big Data and Analytics, and the topic is Big Data and Big Money, the role of data in the financial sector. General overview of the financial services landscape. Lines of businesses: retail bank, wealth management, investment banking, wholesale banking, products, checking, savings, credit card, auto loan, mortgage, wealth management. Insured and heavily regulated by government. Very conservative, ferociously on premises users, although that is changing. What are the external levers and drivers that is driving innovation in this space? That is global geopolitics, interest rates, and government policies. Here we can see a Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, a banking sector where at least $250,000 are for insured bank. How did the traditional banking business grow? Here we can see a group of companies and they're emerging from 1990 to 2009 years. They are divided according to the banks. This data can again be seen in this image, the whole data that's been recorded earlier, which has led to this, how the transactions and the bank sector's transactions actually deals with. Why? Because focus was on giving the customer a credit card, helping him or her save their money, giving a loan for a house or a car, etc., which then led to making money on interest, making money on fees. There are two types like 25% punitive fees and 25% other fees. What were the impacts of this? There were many impacts because of this traditional business growth. They are as followed: expensive technology ownership, ungoverned data movement, little to no data governance, limited taxonomy, limited metadata, and data quality. How is the industry solving these problems? It's complicated. Limited strategic investments are being made to address cleanup of existing technology debt, operational readiness, and addressing new demands. However, banks have to manage capital reserve demands, existing liabilities, and Wall Street earnings. What is traditional banking worried about? Here we can see different types of venture scanners, something like lending, personal finance, payments, institutional investments, retail investments, equity financing, remittances, customer banking, financial research, banking infrastructure, and they're associated with some companies that were listed in the following groups. In lending, the popular we can see OnDesk and Cabbage, Upstart, Better Finance companies. In the personal finance, we can see Credit Karma, OnTrees, and Smart Asset. In the payments, we can see PayPal, VPay, which were globally recognized. Retail investments, we can see Capital and Stalker. The fintech, the company with 248 other companies, and the dollars were $3.4 billion funding was provided for the fintech company. In the equity financing, this Circle Up, Gust, and in remittances, Agimo and World Remit. In the customer banking, Simple, Card-like were involved. In the institutional investments, Adiper and Hedge Spa were included. In the financial research, we have Corsair, and in banking infrastructure, we have Ployd and Idea Mobile. Structural problems within financial services. A day in the life of a quantitative analyst. Here it deals with in the timeline of various steps, such as fielding a request from management, finding the data, obtaining a workspace for to do analysis, which is followed by moving the data, which then is followed by addressing data quality, which then followed by verifying the data, followed by messaging the data, followed by writing code and testing, followed and the very last stage automatic in operational environments supporting analytics. What are the technologies we are playing with traditionally? We generally play with everything worth playing with. All mainstream databases, that is Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2, Cassandra, etc. Most coding technologies, they are like Java, COBOL, C, Python, C++, and or Scala. The most vendors may include the example as IBM. What are the technologies we are playing with for the future? In the batch, we are um involving the real-time applications or real-time technologies. The other point is continuous deployment and continuous delivery. Whatever the traditional technologies that were acquired, they are continuously deployed, they are being tested, they are being recognized, and then the continuous delivery to the customer is provided. The next follows automated headless testing. The next follows automatic business enablement. A word about data governance. There are 2 points that to be noted. Data steward, which deals with the business. The second is data custodians, that is with the technology. Here we have 7 data governance associated with 2. They are accountability, data quality, metadata, data lineage, data destruction, data provisioning, and data controls. These were the 7 which are subdivided in just 2 data governance. Being an entrepreneur requires strong upper management who is open to innovation, must be agile, that is, fail fast, must be willing to go anti culture to create change, focus on execution, then focus on adoption. Subject matter experts. The conservative nature of banking has kept old technology, which is now antiquated. SMEs are difficult to find. At the same time, limited new technology investments are preventing new SMEs to bring new thought, leadership, and innovation into banking. Culture forming the right team, business analysts, developers, data scientists, testers, performance testers, release specialists, production support teams, capacity planning, infrastructure management. These were for the forming the right team, which are needed in forming a traditional business group. Conclusions. There is a lot of opportunity in the financial services space. It can be the next healthcare dot government. There is no reason why we can't have a framework where everything is real time, driven by machine learning. Next gen architecture. You can be the disruptor, by only the passionate survive. Wear comfortable shoes, this journey is long. Thank you.